We are preparing water leaf. So this is the seed. This is how it look like. So you need to wash it thoroughly before you slice it. I've already washed my water leaf before I slice it, and that's it. See my water leaf. These are the ingredients I want to use. That's onions. The first thing is your oil. So the next thing is your onions. The next thing is your pepper. Cover it like 3 minutes before we add every other thing. So you can see, just for 5 minutes the pepper is okay. So add my locust bean. You like it this way, it's okay, you can put it. Add my blended one. This is the locust bean, blended locust. I want to add my cow skin, my fish. That's it. So I want to add my seasoning, my salt. I want to add my fish. So let's check. This is it. Remove the fish first. I want to add my water leaf. So you turn it right, just 2 minutes. So my people is ready. That's why we call it water leaf. You can see the water is out. You can use eba to eat it. Semo with amala with it. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok to learn more. Thank you.